Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we continue smoothing our knowledge in for loop in Python by highlighting square numbers exercise. It is a very simple program with a few lines of code. We will be able to extract square numbers of odd numbers in a range of numbers. So today's tutorial is very simple and can be computed within a few lines of code. Suppose you are given a range of numbers from 1 to 20 and you want all the square of the odd numbers. For non-mathematics people and individuals who attend this course, these are called the individual numbers, okay? And we add two numbers to this to the last one to continue the series of numbers till infinity, and this called the even number, and we can add also 2 to the last number to reach the infinity of the sequence. Now we want only the odd number among the range of numbers. Okay, we learn together also in mathematics and math module what is called modulus. Okay, and this modulus is the remainder of the division. For example, think of this: we have 10. Okay, I can find the modulus of 10, okay, over 3. What does this mean exactly? This means that I want to take number 10 and I want to divide this number 10 into 3 sets. 3 sets are equal sets, okay, 3 equal sets, like, okay, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. The summation of this series of ones are 9, and the remainder to reach 10 is 1. This is the result. This is the module. Okay, so it takes the number and it divides this number into equal set, and what is the remainder will be the output of module. For example, I can do it for not for 3, for 4. So by this case, I want to add into 4 groups here, and what is the remainder here is 2. Okay, and so on for the other. Okay, this is the modules. Just to recap what we mean of the about what we mean of modules and of the number. To execute this code, we will have a range of number in range from 1 to 21. Okay, or it could be written like this, because I want to include 20. I can say like this. Okay, this is by default will start at 1. It will start at 0, and it will end at 21 minus 1. So we will consider 20 at the execution. Okay, and this we have like a space. We have to remove this. Now look at this. If the number which is the integer that we will iterate over inside the range, modulus, okay, modulo what? Modulo 2. That means if the number is or can be divided by 2, okay, which means that this number is even. Okay, I do not need this number. What we learn together to not care or just override the execution here, we can use continue. Okay, so I will iterate over a range of numbers. If the number modulo 2, okay, if number modulo 2 equal 0, okay, like this, and then I do not need this integer or this number, okay, because any number that is divisible or can be divided by 2, then that means there will be no remainder as a result of the division. So I here override it, okay, using the continue, which means don't care about this number, we will not take it. Okay, this is like when we interpret it using this a simple language. Else, what I want to do? Else, I want to print this f string, then the square of let us to open a placeholder, the square of I, okay, which is the number, is nothing but I multiply by I, okay. This is the simplest implementation and what we can implement. It's nothing. We have range of numbers. This is the range of numbers. We need odd number. Then I want to have this condition. This condition compute the modulus. Okay, modulus of the integer when we take it by 2, which means that I want to divide this number into equally subset of 2, okay, and all even number, okay, like 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. When we divided it into two equally into a set of into equal sets of two numbers, then will be no reminder, okay. So we don't need this group because I need only the odd. What I can say, I do not need this. And Pythonically or by Python, I can say I do not need this number just by using continue keyword, and because I do not need this, I need the other. Else is the other. Print the square of the number, which is I, and which the square will be I by I. Okay, and yeah, the square of 3 is 9, the square is 5 is 25, and so on. That's for today's tutorial, guys. See you next tutorial.